What up, you guys, and welcome back. And as you can tell, today we are looking at an aquarium that we don't really talk much about, but I always breed a lot of fish out of. I do breed a lot of lemon blue-eye plecos, and today we're going to be actually moving a boatload of shrimp. Well, not a boatload, but a good amount. And I'm going to tell you why, and we're going to get a better close-up view of these guys. Now, as you can tell, we also have a bunch of baby lemon blue-eye plecos. There's one, there's two, freshly born, three, bigger one, big one over there hiding, another baby on top of the cave just went away. Well, point is we have a bunch. There is one on top of the cave. But I've also put in some shrimp in here a few months ago, and they're doing fine. And actually, this plant is growing massive. But the point is the shrimp are doing fine. And actually, if I look carefully, I think I saw one of them with eggs. But that doesn't matter to me. Point is, they survived. They're doing fine in here. And I kind of want to knock down the population of the snails. And my thinking process for this, to keep in mind, I'd rather have shrimp than snails, first of all. These are my cull shrimp, technically. Not the prettiest ones, no crazy color on them, etc. There's one in there right now. Again, they're not the prettiest, but they will eat a lot of the food that the snails are trying to eat. Basically, whatever my plecos don't finish, they are eating, as well as whatever the snails are eating. Now, they will have to compete with these shrimp. Now, I'm only putting in I'm still putting in a fair amount. But this is a pretty large tank. This is 70 gallons, if I'm not mistaken. 70 or 90, I don't remember. This tank was given to me. But, what's it called? I'm hoping these guys start reproducing as well in there. And then we can get some funny or cool looking mixtures of shrimp in here. And then maybe I could just sell them as feeders. I don't even know. Or maybe we get some cool colors. But it's probably not going to be the case. But we're going to acclimate these bad boys. Right here. And yeah, these again my cull shrimp. I know I have some females in here, some males in here, so I think that'll be a cool addition to this aquarium that's been it's stable and set up for a while. You can see one actually back there, a darker shrimp. So again, the mixture of colors in here I think will look cool. I don't recommend mixing shrimp with a bunch of different colors because you'll probably get a lot of browns. But again, like I said, these are my culls anyway, and this tank just has so many snails. It's ugly. It's ugly to me. There's too many snails. So yeah, that's my thinking process. We're gonna let these guys acclimate for about 45 minutes. Yeah, you heard me right, 45 minutes, because these guys are so sensitive with water. I am also gonna be slowly dropping in a little bit of water from the aquarium with my little dropper here. But yeah, like so. Every few minutes I'm just gonna go like that. Do you guys see the little pleco on the snail right here? See if I can get him to swim away. Oh. So I think now it's finally time to release all of these shrimp. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Are you ready for this? Lights, camera, action. Just released all of them. Making sure there's none left in here. Oh, I see a bunch down here somewhere. Oh, these are all the baby lemon blue eyes that came out. Anyway, this is such a big tank, we're probably not going to see them all the time, but we are going to see a few. As you can see, there's one on the driftwood, one right here. That one was there before. That's a berry female, by the way. A really nice red one, too. But yeah, again, we're probably not going to see them all the time, so it's fine, but we'll probably come back and check in a few weeks or maybe even a month to see if there's any growth in the population, or if there's any like boom in the population, or if they all diminished. So yeah, But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this. I am doing a bunch more live videos as well. Don't forget to check that out. I'm also now starting with the members only part of my channel, so stay tuned for that too. Check that out if you haven't, where I post videos basically. Videos in this hobby basically to save money. Anyway, peace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video.